In less than a month, a Chippewa Valley Family Center will be dramatically scaling back its services. 18 News' Elliot Adams has you covered on the nonprofit's funding struggles.
In a typical year, the RiverSource Family Center offers roughly 200 events a year throughout Chippewa County to support families. That is about to change.
Recent funding cuts happening starting July, we're going to be down to 50.
RiverSource's primary focus is prevention, with free programs meant to strengthen families and combat isolation.
There's a whole lot more going on. We're working on that child development. We are working on that parents' skills, really, because you're going to have conversations with other parents and caregivers. You're going to talk about what's going on. They're going to share ideas. They're going to share resources. They're going to share other things that are happening in the community. They're going to form friendships.
Starting in July, its programming will look different.
One of the big things we're having to put a pause on because we don't have funding is our rural play and learns. So when I talk about loneliness and isolation, all of our little communities here will not, starting in July, have that play and learn, and that is such a great way to bring people together.
So far, about 3 of its programs will completely pause, with others cut back significantly. RiverSource is a nonprofit, and it gets its funding from state and federal grants, foundations, and private donations.
The funding environment is really tough for nonprofits. I mean, one of the main impacts that we're feeling in terms of funding for RiverSource Family Center is a significant reduction in our United Way funds. And so that's a really big deal. We're still getting United Way funds, but it's a lot less.
With the cuts, the Family Center will see roughly $130,000 less than they have in the past. In Chippewa Falls, I'm Elliot Adams.
Thanks, Elliot. The nonprofit noted that thanks to a Pablo Foundation grant received this year, it will be able to weather the uncertain future better, though donations are always welcome. You can visit WQOW.com to learn how to donate.